In this video, we'll look at the principles of electrolysis. This is Paper 2 content for IGCSE Chemistry. By the end, you'll be able to do three things. First, define electrolysis and its key terms. Second, explain how the ions move. And third, predict the products when a molten compound is electrolyzed. Electrolysis means using electricity to break down an ionic compound into its elements. The compound has to contain ions that are free to move, so it must be either molten or dissolved in water. This is called the electrolyte. Electricity is passed in through two electrodes dipped into the electrolyte. The negative electrode is the cathode, and the positive electrode is the anode. Once the ions are free to move, the rule is simply that opposite charges attract. The positive ions, called cations, are drawn to the negative electrode, the cathode. The negative ions, the anions, are drawn to the positive electrode, the anode. When they arrive, they gain or lose electrons, turning back into neutral atoms, and that's how the compound is split into elements. Let's predict the products for a molten compound. Lead bromide. When it's melted, the lead ions and bromide ions are free to move. The positive lead ions go to the cathode, where they gain electrons and form lead metal, which collects as a molten bead. The negative bromide ions go to the anode, where they lose electrons and form bromine gas. And that's the general pattern for a molten compound. The metal forms at the cathode and the non-metal at the anode. Let's check what you've learned. Question 1. What is an electrolyte? Question 2. Which electrode do positive ions move towards? Question 3. In molten lead bromide, what forms at the cathode? Pause the video and have a go. 3, 2, 1. Here are the answers. 1. A molten or dissolved ionic compound whose ions are free to move. 2. The cathode, the negative electrode. 3. Lead metal. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more IGCSE science revision. My revision workbook is available from the link in the comments.